My name is Sha Janally, and my role here at Bentley is Engineering Technical Manager in Mulliner Motorsports. I graduated from Brunel in 2008 in Industrial Design and Technology. As a kid, I always wanted to be involved in cars. I love cars, and it's something I wanted to get into, and I saw Bentley as my dream mark that I would love to work for, and it was always a target and desire to end up here. I am the lead engineer for Coach Built in developing the recent Battle convertible, which has taken place over 2 years of development through to start to finish to production. The reason Brunel stood up for me was known to be one of the best design engineering universities in the country. And for me, it's where when I visited the campus, it drew me in. The culture, the environment, the people, the lecturers, but also the facilities that you have, the workshops around you to create your concept that you put together, and you can make that and prototype it and test it at Brunel. But also the sense of the community that it gives you. Many Brunel is very important in terms of bringing students together and showcasing their work to show the world the future innovation thinkers that are coming to the market, and opportunity for companies like Bentley to bring them into the company to give them the foresight to help drive the business forward. One of the best things I did was doing the foundation degree in engineering, which started as a 1-year intensive course, which then set me up for my degree in industrial design and technology. So in 3 words, summing up my Brunel experience: first, it's exciting; second, it's challenging; and third, it's rewarding.